We have to chalk out Babuji's plan for Singapore. We also have to draft a small write-up about Sehajmark for Chinese local newspaper. We will also go through the distribution material that is not prepared.
Tomorrow we have a relatively free day, except a public meeting in the evening at King Glum Community Center.
There is a Chinese doctor who's very famous for curing muscular disorders. So why not take Babuji to him, say tomorrow, like daytime?
Oh, yes. Then we could also take Master for sightseeing. There are a lot of beautiful places in Singapore.
Okay.
Like Tiger Balm Garden, City Hall, etc.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yes.
You know, I always like the sound of plane when they go by.
Yeah, we have our airport nearby. You keep hearing such sounds. Day after tomorrow, that is Friday 22nd, we have an appointment at St. Patrick High School where you would be addressing Hindu students on yoga. Many friends who are interested in spirituality will be coming to meet Master in the evening today, tomorrow, and the day after.
Yeah. And then on 23rd we are flying back. That sounds like a well thought of arrangement. Let's get to work then. And there are many persons coming to meet Master today evening. So he must take some rest.
Yeah, sure.
That's all.
Babuji, why can't we meditate on the objects of our choice? There are many ancient texts that specify we can meditate on the sea or the sky, etc. I personally prefer to meditate on the sea. I think it gives a true idea of infinity. Can I do so?
Well, it is for you to decide. In the system developed by my master, we meditate on light in the heart. It is a supposition.
But can I meditate on the sea?
Well, my idea is that if you meditate upon something, you must get the essence of it as the result. So if you meditate on the sea, you must get salt.
What about love, Babuji? Is it necessary?
Well, I'm telling you, love is very necessary. Love for the master or love for the God must be there. But a stage comes in spiritual development when love too must fade out.
I don't understand. How can that be?
What Master means is that we start by loving the Master and we go on and on. After a certain stage, a state comes when the Master and the disciple become one. This is what a disciple feels or experiences. And at that stage, who is loved and who is the lover? And when such spiritual mergence occurs, the two become one. And then of course love drops off. This is what my master meant when he said, love too must fade out.
What about light? Should we see light?
Well, I'm telling you, it is a mere supposition that there is light in the heart. It is a suggestion.
But will I see light when I meditate?
Many people have experienced that darkness or what seems to be darkness. I was also puzzled by it. One evening, I was sitting out in the lawn and looking up into the sky. Suddenly, there was darkness. Then an idea occurred in my mind that the light of sun is there. But still we see the darkness or blackness. Then another idea came that when moon comes up, then the entire sky is brilliantly lit up. Then I understood that the light can appear as darkness when there is no object to reflect upon it. To me, this was a revelation, and then I understood that why many of our Abhyasis see darkness or what seems to be darkness. Because in our system, we meditate on light, not on object. So, the perception of darkness is a correct one.
I have written somewhere that in the original condition, there is neither light nor darkness. It is the color of dawn. The Nasdiya Sukta also says this.
अरे पाचू, बहुत बुरी खबर है। जो अभ्यासी जर्मनी में हैं, उनका तार आया है। उन्होंने लिखा है कि बाबूजी के एक ट्यूमर है, जिसका मेडिकल टेस्ट करने के बाद ये पता चलेगा कि नुकसानदेह है या नहीं। बाबूजी मई जून में यूरोप जाने के लिए तैयार हो गए हैं। वे केवल कोपेनहेगन और म्यूनिक में ही रुकेंगे।
अब तो बाबूजी का यूरोप जाना और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। यूरोप में अच्छी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, वहाँ पर हम बाबूजी का अच्छे से चेकअप करवा लेंगे और अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो ऑपरेशन भी करा लेंगे। पर बाबूजी को ऑपरेशन के लिए मनाना बहुत मुश्किल है। एक इंजेक्शन से तो वो डरते हैं।
साहब, डॉक्टर आए हैं।
डॉक्टर आए? कौन बीमार है? नहीं, यहां तो कोई बीमार नहीं है।
साहब, आपके लिए आए हैं।
हमारे लिए? हमें क्या हुआ है? हम तो बिल्कुल ठीक हैं। हमें किसी डॉक्टर की जरूरत नहीं है। हमारे साथ डॉक्टर क्या करेंगे?
साहब, थोड़ा सा खून लेंगे।
अरे, खून चूस? नहीं नहीं, हमें नहीं करना। हम बिल्कुल ठीक हैं। ये क्या तमाशा है?
प्रणाम बाबूजी।
ये कौन है?
ये डॉक्टर हैं बाबूजी।
ये यहाँ क्यों आए हैं?
बाबूजी आपको देखने आए हैं।
हाँ, हमें देखने आए हैं? आय राम, आय
बाबूजी, दर्द नहीं होगा।
हाँ, आप तो कहेंगे ही। दर्द तो हमें होगा। हाय राम, हाय राम।
अरे साहब, अभी तक तो सुई लगी भी नहीं है।
तो क्या सुई लगने पर ही दर्द होता है? तुम्हें क्या मालूम दर्द कब होता है?
सुलोचना, एक अच्छी खबर है।
क्या हुआ?
तुम्हें पता है ना, मैंने बाबूजी से हमारे आने वाले यूरोपियन टूर में तुम्हें हमारे साथ अपने खर्चे पर ले जाने की परमिशन मांगी थी। बाबूजी इसके लिए राजी हो गए हैं।
अरे, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
उन्होंने लिखा है कि अगर बहू को विदेश देखने की इच्छा है तो ऐसा कर सकती है। हमें ये सुझाव पसंद है।
तो हमें कब निकलना होगा?
तुम्हें पता है ना, हमारे बसंत ट्रिप के दौरान मैंने जीन्स क्लॉसन के साथ बैठ के हमारे यूरोपियन ट्रिप की पूरी प्लानिंग कर दी है। हम 10 दिन कोपेनहेगन में और 12 से 18 दिन मुनीक में रुकेंगे और आने के एक हफ्ते पहले हम एक हफ्ते और कोपेनहेगन में रुकेंगे। हम यहाँ से 2 मई को निकलेंगे। उसके पहले हम बाबूजी का 82nd बर्थडे मनाएंगे और फिर वहीं से सीधे अपनी ट्रिप पर निकल जाएंगे। ये ट्रिप इसलिए भी ज़रूरी है क्योंकि कुछ ही समय पहले डॉक्टर कार्ल गूशे ने बाबूजी के पेट में एक ट्यूमर डिटेक्ट किया था और इसकी जांच होनी ज़रूरी है। बाबूजी इस बात पर राज़ी हो गए हैं कि अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो वो वहाँ पर ऑपरेशन भी करवाएंगे। बाबूजी, आप सो जाइए। ये एसएएस फ्लाइट हमें 8:45 घंटे में कोपेनहेगन पहुंचा देगी। आप सो जाइए।
अच्छा, हम कोशिश करते हैं।
बाबूजी, आप सोए नहीं?
हाँ भाई, हम जानते हैं तुम चाहते हो हम सो जाएं। हम खुद भी यही चाहते हैं, लेकिन ये नींद नहीं आ रही है। अब हम क्या करें?
बाबूजी, आप सोने की कोशिश कीजिए।
हाँ, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं। प्रकाश को बुलाओ, हमें उससे कुछ बात करनी है। फिर हम सोने जाएंगे।
बाबूजी, हम फ्लाइट में हैं। हम कोपेनहेगन जा रहे हैं।
हाँ अच्छा। प्रकाश को बुलवाओ।
बाबूजी, हम शाहजहांपुर में नहीं हैं। हम फ्लाइट में हैं।
ओह अच्छा।
Hi, this is your captain. We are cruising at 30,000 feet above sea level and currently passing over Romania.
देखो वहाँ 5 कुत्ते लड़ रहे हैं।
बाबूजी, हम फ्लाइट में हैं। यहाँ कुत्ते नहीं हो सकते।
फ्लाइट में नहीं, पार सारथी, वहाँ जमीन पर देखो, वो अभी भी लड़े जा रहे हैं।
सब ठीक है, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
देखो भाई, हमारे बगल में कोई बैठा है और उससे लग रहा है कि हम पागल हो गए हैं, लेकिन हम बिल्कुल ठीक हैं। अगर तुम चाहो तो हम मीलों पैदल चल सकते हैं। ये सब लाला जी साहब का फैज़ है।
Chari, I feel your journey was comfortable.
Yeah, the flight was of 8 hours and 40 minutes. And for the first 4 hours, it was smooth and comfortable. But after that, Master was exhausted and showed signs of disorientation.
Oh, that's too bad. Currently, his blood pressure is not too bad, given the condition that Babuji's blood pressure is generally below normal. It's 90 by 60.
Yeah, it is better now. But in the flight, he was calling his son Prakash. He was thinking that he was at Shahjahanpur, at home.
My God.
It was pitiable condition. It was really a nightmare journey.
Let's see Babuji.
Yes, sure.
Babuji, can I examine you again? Chari, it's a miracle. You know, Babuji's tumor, which was the size of a medium-sized potato, in mid of 1979, it's reduced by half the size. And you know, it's soft to touch too. I can't believe this, Babuji.
I told you in Shahjahanpur that when I come to Germany, I shall be well. Now you are saying I am already much better. It is all Lalaji Saab's grace and the care that you have taken to treat me for this disease. And I thank you for it. You have served me well.
Thank you, Babuji.
Now I request that you take my services for your benefit.
Thanks a lot, Babuji.
One day an Abhyasi came to me. He said he wanted to stop meditation because he thought that meditation reduces breathing and the oxygen intake in the body goes down. It reduces oxygen. His feeling was correct. Meditation does reduce oxygen intake. I examined my own condition and I found that my breathing stopped completely for several minutes at a time. This is my own experience. Then I came to the conclusion that there is some point in the body which produces oxygen inside the body. But I am not sure about this. Yes, there is some point inside the body which produces oxygen. I just received the confirmation.
Can you tell me something more about this organ, Babuji?
You are a doctor. You should think about this. One day an Abhyasi asked Lalaji Saab, Lord, You are working so much upon us and for so long. And we, in our small way, are also working hard to cooperate with you. Is there no way by which you can complete the work in, say, 1 hour, so that all this labor for you and us is saved? Lalaji Sahab answered, the perfection can be given in the time a teardrop comes out of the eye, but the nervous system will be shattered. No, I will not say any more. Bas. If I do anything immediately, it will be done, of course. But the person will not experience anything, and so will not appreciate anything. It is all matter of proper utilization of thought power. Now I am telling you one thing. Everyone is hankering after samadhi, but it is not at all necessary for evolution. I mean spiritual evolution, not at all necessary. I always speak on some basis, but sometimes thoughts comes automatically also. This thought was coming to me automatically several times, so I am speaking about it.
Master, tell us something more about achieving our goal.
I am lost with the goal.
Babuji, would you like to see the Copenhagen Zoo? I'm sure you would love it.
Yes, sister, that will be very nice.